Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring your files are safe and OneDrive sync is paused. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, or just search OneDrive. Sign out from the OneDrive System Tray menu so the client stops syncing. This prevents file conflicts. Once done, verify your important folders exist locally or in another cloud. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account so uninstall steps will run without permission prompts. Now remove the app itself. In Installed Apps, select Microsoft OneDrive and choose Uninstall, then follow prompts. If Windows won't remove it, open Control Panel, right arrow Programs, or run the PowerShell uninstall command as admin. After uninstalling, open Task Manager and end any OneDrive. EXE processes, lingering processes can recreate settings. Restart the PC when prompted to ensure services are cleared. Once finish by removing leftover folders and account links. Delete the OneDrive and OneDrive temp folders under your user profile if they still exist. This frees disk space. If you're comfortable, open Regedit and delete OneDrive keys under hkcu/software/Microsoft/OneDrive. Back up the registry first. Also remove the Microsoft account from Windows settings if you no longer want it connected. Troubleshooting tip. If OneDrive reappears after reboot, run the uninstall command in an elevated PowerShell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.